Easily add a breadcrumbs element to your posts or your pages with the breadcrumbs element. To the top left, select Elements and scroll to the bottom, and under Blog you will find the breadcrumbs element. Click, hold and drag, and usually we put this at the top of a post or a page. With posts, it will show you the order in which these pages are categorized, and this you will set up within your categories. Interact with it by selecting it, go to the left with the options, and from here adjust the spacing between the links. Set your typography, and then under colors you have the options for the links and the arrows and 3 states. The first is the normal state, and then you have hover state and the active state. Then we go to the hover state, let's put that on orange, and then for the active state let's change that to red so we have something different. Click outside, and as I hover over the links you will see they turn orange. The active state over here, that is in red. Easily align it, left, right or center, and then you have normal settings and your effects.